Concept of SQ related to which generation of language? Structured query language.
Third.
Fourth. Fourth generation language. वेब एड्रेस को आउ कौन कहती? URL.
Website.
URL ର full form कौन?
URL Universal
Resource locator.
Uniform resource.
Locator.
GIGO ର full form कौन?
Go in, go out.
Garbage in,
Garbage in, garbage out.
garbage in, garbage out. बिल्कुल. The capacity to perform multiple tasks simultaneously is called what? Capacity to perform multiple tasks simultaneously.
Multitasking.
Versatility. Versatility.
Person.
Versatility. A computer does not suffer from tiredness and lack of concentration. It is known as which property? A computer does not suffer from tiredness and
Reliability.
diligence.
Reliability.
Diligence. ENIAC ର full form कौन? ENIAC. ENIAC.
Enumerated.
Electronic, numerical, integrator and computer.
Numerical integrated. Computer.
Electronic, numerical, integrator and computer. फ्लॉप्स ର full form कौन? FLOPS. FLOPS फ्लॉप्स ର full form कौन? Floating point operations.
Floating point
Per second.
second.
Floating point operation per second. Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on which day?
26 November.
24 November
26
1910.
November.
26 November 1949. किए सेकंड चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ अपॉइंट होते इंडिया रे? जनरल मनोज मुकुंद नरवणे.
Anil Chauhan.
Anil
चौहान. बिल्कुल.
Anil Chauhan.
लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल अनिल चौहान.
One.
In which state is the festival Bonalu celebrated? Bonalu festival. West Bengal,
Arunachal Pradesh.
Telangana.
Telangana.
Telangana. बिल्कुल.
Telangana.
In which year was Treaty of Amritsar signed? 1808, 9, 10, 11.
1809.
1809. बिल्कुल. Which of the following is the function of RBI? Issue of currency, lender of last resort. Only one, only two, both, none of these.
Both.
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 Both are the functions of RBI. Which of the following is the Indo-Persian dance form from Uttar Pradesh? Kathakali, Garba, Kathak, Chhau.
Kathak.
Kathak, बिल्कुल. The loudness of sound is measured in which unit? Sound intensity, watt per meter square,
Decibel.
hertz,
Decibel.
बिल्कुल, decibel. With how many countries does India share a sea border? With how many countries does India share a sea border? 2, 4, 6, 8.
6.
Chari. चार
दुई
चारि
दुई
इंडिया मालदीव पाकिस्तान बांग्लादेश
श्रीलंका
नेपाल
सी बॉर्डर को
सी बॉर्डर सी बॉर्डर केमती नेपाल
ओहो
सी
सी
बॉर्डर
बॉर्डर सॉरी
म्यांमार श्रीलंका श्रीलंका तापरे एटा हबो अच्छा अच्छा मालदीव
बांग्लादेश
श्रीलंका एंड मालदीव
बांग्लादेश रे तो फिजिकल बॉर्डर
Which ministry announced the launch of Amazon Future Engineer Program? Ministry of Education, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Ministry of Electronics and IT.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आईटी
Amazon Future Engineer Program, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. At the end of which 5-year plan, 5 IITs were set up in the country? At the end of which 5-year plan? First, second, third, fourth.
सेकंड
First.
fourth
At the end of first 5-year plan, 5 IITs were set up in the country. Mysuru Dasara is a grand celebration in which Indian state?
कर्नाटका
कर्नाटक
Karnataka, bilkul. Leander Pace is associated with which sports? Badminton, cricket, golf, lawn tennis.
नॉन टेनिस
टेनिस
Bilkul, lawn tennis. In which year was Gandhi Irwin Pact signed?
1930
31,
31.
1931. Which state or union territory has the highest male literacy rate according to census 2011? Lakshadweep, Kerala, Tripura, Mizoram.
केरल
Kerala.
Kerala, bilkul.
केरला
Which is the least populous state of India as per census 2011? Assam, Goa, Sikkim, Meghalaya.
Sikkim.
अरुणाचल प्रदेश
सिक्किम
Sikkim.
Sikkim.
सिक्किम
Least populous state कहली, density कहनी. Which religion has the majority population in India? Christianity, Jainism, Islam, Hinduism.
हिंदुइज्म
हिंदुइज्म
Hinduism. Hinduism. Which country will host 2026 Asian Games? Which country? Thailand, Qatar, Japan, China.
चाइना
Japan. Japan will host
जापान
26 Asian Games. The Green Revolution was started in which 5-year plan? First, second, third, fourth.
थर्ड
Third 5-year plan. Third, बिल्कुल. What is the time period of 11th 5-year plan? 2010 ରୁ 15, 8 ରୁ 13, 7 ରୁ 12, 9 ରୁ 14.
नौ रुपये
7 ରୁ 12
नौ
7 ରୁ 12.
7 ରୁ 12
7 ରୁ 12.
7 ରୁ 12
Hornbill Festival features which indigenous tribes showcasing their culture and traditions? Garo, Bhil, Naga, Gond.
नागा ना
Naga, बिल्कुल Naga.
नाडू
In Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in consequence to protest against which act? Regulating Act, Rowlatt Act, Pitt's India Act,
Rowlatt Act.
India Act.
राहुल अक्कल
Rowlatt Act, बिल्कुल. Mundari dance is associated with which state? Mundari dance. Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh.
झारखंड
Jharkhand, बिल्कुल. Which part of constitution deals with directive principles of state policy?
फोर
फोर
Part 4, बिल्कुल. हाँ. Which sports is the Aga Khan Cup associated with? Cricket, rugby, kabaddi, hockey.
Hockey.
क्रिकेट
Hockey.
हॉकी
Hockey. Hockey.
Hockey.
हॉकी
Which
हॉकी
countries border India to the northwest? Myanmar, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Bhutan, Nepal.
China,
Afghanistan,
अफगानिस्तान
Pakistan.
Afghanistan, Pakistan.
China, Afghanistan,
Afghanistan,
Afghanistan, Pakistan.
Afghanistan, Pakistan.
हाँ. Banking Regulation Act was passed in which year? Banking Regulation Act was passed in which year? 1949, 59, 99, 1967.
49.
49.
1949 बिल्कुल. Banking Regulation Act was passed in 1949. 35 ର ପାୱାର 29 କୁ 10 ରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ କଲେ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡର କେତେ ହେବ? 35 ର ପାୱାର 29 କୁ 10 ରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ କଲେ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡର କେତେ ହେବ? ବହୁତ ଇଜି.
5 ହବ।
5 ହେବ. କାହିଁକି ନା
ପାଞ୍ଚ,
କୌଣସି
ପାଞ୍ଚ।
ସଂଖ୍ୟାର ପାୱାର
5
ଯାହାର ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଡିଜିଟ୍ 5 ଅଛି ତାର ପାୱାର ଯେତେ ଥିଲେ ବି ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଡିଜିଟ୍ 5 ହିଁ ହେବ. ଆଉ ତାକୁ 10 ରେ ଡିଭାଇଡ କଲେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଡିଜିଟ୍ 5 ହେବ. ତ ରିମାଇଣ୍ଡର ବି 5 ହିଁ ହେବ. ବୋକାପ ଟିକେ ଦେଖିବା କେତେ କଣ ପାଣିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି. କିଏ ପହଁରୁଛି ଦେଖିବା ଟିକେ. ବିଜୟ ପହଁରୁଛ କି?
ନାଇଁ sir.
ଆଉ କଣ ଉଡୁଛ?
ବସିଛି.
ହଉ. କଣ ଏଟା? ସିନୋନିମ୍ କହିବ. ସିନୋନିମ୍ ତ ହଁ. ରେଜିମିର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? ଅପସନ ହଉଛି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି, ଟେରିଟୋରି, ରୁଲ, ସ୍ପେସ୍.
Rule.
टेरिटोरी
ରୁଲ ବିଲକୁଲ ରୁଲ.
Rule.
ରେଜିମି ହେଲା ରୁଲ. ଅଡାସିଟିର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? କସନ, ମିକନେସ୍, କାଇଣ୍ଡନେସ୍, ଡେୟାରିଂ.
Daring.
weakness.
Daring.
ଡେୟାରିଂ.
ହଁ daring.
ଡେୟାରିଂ.
Daring.
ସାଗାସିୟସର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? ପ୍ରିସିୟସ୍, ମାଲିସିୟସ୍, ଡେଲିସିୟସ୍, ଜୁଡିସିୟସ୍.
malicious.
ଜୁଡିସିୟସ୍. ରିଟାଲିଏଟ୍ର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? ରୋଟେଟ୍, ରିଆକ୍ଟ, ଫାସିଲିଟେଟ୍, କ୍ଲାପ୍.
react.
react,
କରିବା.
React.
ରିଆକ୍ଟ. ଇଲ୍ଡ, YIELD. ଇଲ୍ଡର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? ଗାର୍ଡେନ୍, ହାରଭେଷ୍ଟ, ଅର୍ଚାର୍ଡ, ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟେସନ୍.
Harvest.
harvest.
हार्वेस्ट
ହାରଭେଷ୍ଟ. ପ୍ରମ୍ପ୍ଟର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? ପ୍ରମ୍ପ୍ଟ, ଲେଙ୍ଗଦି, କ୍ୱିକ୍, ସ୍ଲୋ, ଗ୍ରାଜୁଆଲ.
quick.
କ୍ୱିକ୍.
क्विक
ବିଲକୁଲ.
Quick.
ରେଜୁଭେନେଟ୍ର ସିନୋନିମ୍ କଣ? ରେଜୁଭେନେଟ୍, ରିଟେଲ୍, ରିସେଟ୍, ରିଟେକ୍, ରିଫ୍ରେଶ.
refresh.
रिफ्रेश
retake.
ରିଫ୍ରେଶ.
reset ବି ହବ।
ରିଫ୍ରେଶ ହବ. ରିଟେକ୍ ହବନି. ରିଫ୍ରେଶ. ଡେଟ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟାଲ, ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ, ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡଲି, ହାର୍ମଫୁଲ, ଇଣ୍ଟେଲେକ୍ଚୁଆଲ.
harmful.
हार्मफुल बिल्कुल.
Harmful.
हार्मफुल. डिराइड ର सिनोनिम कौन? डिराइड, DERIDE. अप्रूव, एडमायर, मोक, लिफ्ट.
Mock.
मोक बिल्कुल. मजाक उड़ेगा. डेबिलिटेट ର सिनोनिम कौन? सस्टेन, एनिमेट, वीकेन, भाइटालाइज.
weekend.
Weakening.
वीकेन बिल्कुल. वीकेन. स्लैक, SLACK. स्लैक ର सिनोनिम कौन? लाइवली, कीन, एक्टिव, केयरलेस. एटा तो बहुत इजी ऑप्शन.
careless.
केयरलेस. आउ तीनटा तो सिनोनिम, सॉरी एंटोनिम हला. कहीं मैक्सिमम केस रे एमती ही इजीली हेल्प हो जाए. ग्लोरियस रो सिनोनिम कौन? जेंटल, एनॉर्मस, अनयूजुअल, स्प्लेंडिड.
Splendid.
Gentle.
Splendid. Glorious ହେଲା splendid. Prevent ର synonym allow, construct, avert, provoke.
Abort.
Provoke.
Abort.
avert କରିବା avert avert prevent. provoke ତ ଉକସେଇବା ଆଉ prevent. river REVER ହେଲା ନଦୀ ନୁହଁ REVER river. condemn, respect, repeat, enjoy.
Respect.
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 respect. prodigal ବହୁତ important. prodigal trivial, arrogant, humble, extravagant.
Humble.
Extravagant. Extravagant.
extravagant
Sorry.
prodigal, extravagant. fury 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 sin, anger, risk, crime.
Anger.
बिल्कुल fury ହେଲା anger. expensive sober, mild, dear, gentle.
Dear.
डियर बहुत बढ़िया डियर. एक्सपेंसिव को डियर भी कहती. डियर मनी से अच्छी इकोनॉमिक्स रे. इरुडाइट फैशनेबल, लर्नड, इलिटरेट, स्ट्रांग. इरुडाइट
Strong.
लर्नड स्कॉलरली पर्सन जी. तो एरुडाइट हला लर्नड ज्ञानी व्यक्ति. abstain refrain, propose, reduce, accept.
Different.
Refrain.
refrain. simmer SHIMMER simmer. shiver, shake, sign, quake.
Shiver.
Sign.
sign କରିବା sign କରିବା. simmer sign. breakthrough disaster, accident, coincidence, discovery.
Discovery.
Accident.
discovery बिल्कुल breakthrough କରିବା discover କରିବା. absolve ABSOLVE absolve. एटा एग्जाम रे बहुत कंफ्यूजन हुए. ठीक से जानिथिले भी कंफ्यूजन हुए. accuse, condemn, pardon, attack.
Pardon.
pardon बिल्कुल दोषर मुक्त कर देबा absolve pardon. juvenile insane, mature, childish, wise.
Childish.
childish बिल्कुल childish. cordial CORDIAL. rude, cold, warm, hard.
Cold.
warm बिल्कुल warm ହେଲା. ovation ଯେମିତି standing ovation କହନ୍ତି ସେମିତି ovation. creation, censure, applause, preparation.
Applaud.
Applause.
applause बिल्कुल. applause spelling କୁହ କିଏ କହିବ?
APPALOUS.
ନାଇଁ
LUS.
ନାଇଁ ଭୁଲିଗଲା. APPLAUSE
APPLASE.
APPLAUSE applause. abort 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 synonym continue, begin, hate, end.
Cancel.
Hate.
continue, begin, hate,
Hate.
end. end बिल्कुल.
And.
exceed EXCED exceed. improve, surpass, decline, decrease. exceed
Decline.
Surpass.
surpass बिल्कुल surpass. persist ର synonym persist. continue, halt, cease, forget.
Continue.
Halt.
continue କରିବା persist ମାନେ continue କରିବା. mercurial mercurial mercurial. predictable, permanent, interchangeable, volatile.
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 बिल्कुल. estimate, discover, solve, assess, believe.
Access.
Assess बिल्कुल assess करिवा. Impoverished, spendthrift, wealthy, penniless, generous.
Penniless.
बिल्कुल penniless गरीब. Impoverished ହେଲା penniless. Ramification, inception, source, consequence, satisfaction. Ramification,
Consequence.
satisfaction,
consequence प्रभाव कौनसी जिनसर प्रभाव. Ramification. Efficiency, disability, tendency, fluency, capability.
capability,
Capability.
Capability.
Equal. Motive, 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 benefit, utility, reason, chance.
Chance.
एटा बहुत एग्जाम रे कंफ्यूजन हुए रीजन और बेनिफिट भितर. करेक्ट होची रीजन. मोटिव रा सिनोनिम होला रीजन. कोजेंट, COGENT, कोजेंट, convincing, weak, pathetic, ineffective. Convincing बिल्कुल. कोजेंट रा सिनोनिम होला convincing. Stoical, STOICAL, stoical. Ruffled, panicky, apathetic, equivocal. Stoical,
pathetic,
apathetic बिल्कुल apathetic. Eradicate the synonym, approve, condense, uproot, magnify.
Approved.
Uproot बिल्कुल
approved, approved,
UPROOT, uproot हला synonym. Solemn, SOLEMN, solemn. Ordinary, ignorant, serious, furious.
Serious.
ordinary,
Serious बिल्कुल serious.
serious,
Solemn, SOLEMN, solemn ର synonym ହେଲା serious. Philanthropist synonym, humanist, humanitarian, philosopher, misanthropist.
Humanitarian.
Humanitarian बिल्कुल humanitarian. Penalize ର synonym, pretend, punish, protect, praise.
Punish.
Is
Punish
Punish.
बिल्कुल punish. Fasten ର synonym, fasten, detach, affix, release, loosen.
lead,
Affix କରିବା affix, AFFIX. Judicious ର synonym, plentiful, thoughtful, graceful, beautiful.
thoughtful,
Thoughtful. ତ ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି ରଖିବା, ପୁଣି କାଲି ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା. ଟପିକ୍ ଆଜି ଦେଇଦେବି. ଗୁଡ୍ ନାଇଟ୍, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ.